Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get the API key from Oanda. And if you want to do this, the thing that we're going to do is we go to Google and I googled Oanda API key and then I clicked right here on this one. Then we click on documentation. And then after this, you see right here in 3 steps exactly what you need to do to get the API key. So first create an account right here. Then after that, get the REST API access. So log in right here to the account management portal. And then afterwards, you can use right there the API key. And if you click right here, you can also read here more about the API key. So if you want to do that, check that out. And this is the first way how you can do that. And the second way is if I click this away, you see right here at the screen that sometimes you can click on the left on my subscriptions and then you will find your API key right here. So please choose one of those. Probably one of them will work. And this is how you can get the API key from Oanda. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.